Pam pam.
Ukraine International 202, traffic wind 050 degrees, 4 knots, correct for takeoff, runway 08 left.
Careful, light space. Thrust launch engine stable. Check. Reduce takeoff thrust.
Reduce takeoff thrust. 92.6, set parameters north.
Check. Get up. Check. V2 plus 15 есть? Да, check. Flaps 1, please.
International 202, Tashkent approach, identified. Continue climb flight level 340.
Flaps up. 340.
Ukraine International 202, after Sierra Romeo, direct Tango, Mike Delta.
Okay, Tango Mike Delta after Sierra Romeo. I agree. Autopilot please. Autopilot on. Pam pam. It's time for me to get my rest period. I'll take a nap for 1 hour and a half. But anyway, we return quite early and I still have almost all day long to take a rest and to do all the family stuff that I will have this day. What about Tashkent? Well, it's quite old style airport, I would say. Just a couple of the gates, the runways, they're all okay. So in general, I like the Tashkent. It was the VIP traffic on arrival, and we had a couple of the holding patterns before landing. I started to think about our return because we hadn't had extra fuel for this flight. So even if the weather is perfect, sometimes you may have some of the issues upon your arrival, right? We checked the weather in our return, but luckily we were told that the delay should not be more than 10 minutes. After all, I wasn't able to film any kind of the videos in Tashkent. I just took one picture there because security was not allowing anyone to take pictures because of the VIP traffic at that time. So sorry guys, and I hope one day to come back to Tashkent and just enjoy the city. So I'll take my rest and see you in approach. Let's go. Pam pam.
Ukraine 202, give the approach runway 10 feet, clear the approach runway
3000 clear LS 1 is left 202.
3000 set. We cleared the LS, final approach course 176. Frequency will be identified 111.3. India, Bravo, India, identified.
International 202, contact British Tower 119.3.
119 202. Bristol Tower, would you mind that National 202 continue LS 1 is left?
International 202, British Tower, continuous approach, runway 1 is left.
Continue 202.
Final approach course, runway heading set.
Да, уж ветер 53 еще и попутный.
Там где-то да.
Check. Gear down.
3000.
Missed approach check. Flap 17.
Gear down
2500.
15 away 1001.
International 202, wind 260 degrees, 6 meters for second runway 1 is left, clear to land.
Clear to land 1 is left 202.
Flap 30. Unready landing check. Unready landing checklist.
Start switches.
Continuous.
Speed rate.
Arm green light.
Landing gear.
Down 3 greens.
Left.
30 green.
Identification.
Completed.
Посадка на 3.
Спасибо. Check.
Lights.
Check. Такой сносик неплохой.
Да.
Ох, елки.
Модеры клише прогнозировали.
Да, я понял. Отключусь. Check. Check.
1000.
Check.
500. $400. Approaching minimums. 300.
Land.
Minimums. 200.
Да, check.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Bristol Tower, доброго ранку, Airline, 449 Highway, calling point 1 is left, fully ready for departure. Insurance driver 449 Bristol Tower, доброго ранку, line up runway 1 is left, straight. Line up runway 1 is left, uniform
Check.
number 4489 Highway.
Manual brakes.
Degree International 202, key to the right, right exit from 4, contact with ground, 118, that's 105, 7.
11805 202, качество. Ground, good one, get National 202 after landing, Alpha.
Яка залишила? 202 Брistol, доброго ранку, to the right, Bravo, Charlie 5, Delta 5.
Bravo Charlie 5, Delta 5, get next our cruiser.
After landing, please. Pelican brake set. Shut down procedure, please.
Good morning, Lufthansa 1493.
Pum pum. Hey, it's quite wet here in Boryspil, but I would say the weather is much warmer compared to Tashkent weather. Tashkent was -2 and here it's +10 already. And the wind was blowing very strong on final approach. My friends, as for the guy who is stuck in Boryspil airport, let's say he's stuck here. Anyway, he asked for money. I didn't give him the money. I gave him some water. He also asked for that, and some medicine. So yeah, I think it's better. Anyway, my friends, I hope you like this video. So what you need to do is to follow the awesome guide checklist, like this video, after that subscribe to my channel, and finally ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great time. Pum pum.